Hello everybody, I'm Kurt from the Trading Options CashFlow website, and in this video I will present to you my new all-in-one Trading Options Journal Spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet that I've been working on recently in the last couple of weeks, and it's actually a combination, an integration of the two spreadsheets that are very popular, and that is actually the 2023 Trading Options Journal and the Wheel Strategy spreadsheet. I've combined both of them into one, and I've added on top of that a lot of new improved features which allow you to even track your option trading in a better way. So this brief video is more like an introduction video on the spreadsheet. I will make multiple other videos demonstrating the different features and the different possibilities. Now, about the new spreadsheet and new features, I will tell you a little bit. User profile data, it's a new feature, a new tab sheet that I've added, also giving more possibilities to enter data and to make and to analyze your results. I will talk about the journal itself for a couple of minutes, and also about the results report and the Wheel Strategy report. But just like I announced in the beginning of this video, this is like an introduction video. There will be multiple videos coming later on demonstrating the different possibilities. This brings me to the next spreadsheet. So just as a reminder, this new spreadsheet has new features, and it's very important for us option traders. We invest a lot of time in planning our trades and also in following up and managing our options positions, so we need a very easy to use tool to keep track of our option trading. That speaks for itself. And if we can do that in a great and an easy to manage journal, I think that is probably one of the most important and crucial steps. So keeping track of our option trading records in a great and an easy way to manage our journal is probably one of the most important and crucial steps, I think, for every trader to become a highly profitable option trader. This brings me to the new and improved user profile tab sheet, which allows us from now in this spreadsheet to track multiple trade accounts for multiple traders, where you can set individual portfolio parameters. This is now a built-in feature which allow you, based on parameters that you enter into the spreadsheet, to set specific management alerts. Management alerts at the level of the portfolio and management alerts at the level of each individual option trade. And I will demonstrate that in one of the next videos too. So the journal itself has also received some improvements. It has become now a comprehensive trade entry journal, which allows, next to the different option trading strategies, also entering the buying or selling of stock trades. This is a feature that I've introduced because there was a lot of questions on how exactly you had to do that in the previous versions. So this is completely integrated now. All kind of strategies, all kind of types of trades of stock and options are possible to enter in the journal itself. And together with that, I have, for the data entry, of course, I've continued to work with the colorized indications for indicating the mandatory fields that you need to fill in the different phases of the option trade itself. The filtered results tab sheet, which has been already for a large part visible in the option trading journal that I've created for 2023, but this time I've improved it as a more powerful feature, filter feature for filtering exactly the results based on not only the period, the account and the trader, but I've added two possible extra filter possibilities, being the stock and secondly the Wheel Strategy group, which I will explain also in a later video. But you can indicate if you want to filter now for specific trades that are to be considered as one whole in one Wheel Strategy for a specific stock. So that is really a good improvement, and I like it very much. I use it also every day. What is also a very good improvement in my opinion is the fact that besides the results overview that you can see here on the screenshot, there is also now an automatic generated overview of all the different positions that are still open in your journal. which allows you to, even on a day-by-day basis, to have a quick overview of what is my situation right now, how are my positions doing, do I need to adjust, yes or no. So you don't have to go back to the journal itself. This information is actually completely filtered out automatically on the filtered results page. And the last information that I want to give right is about the wheel strategy results tab. And I know there's a typo on the slide, but that's okay. What is new about the spreadsheet is, like I said, it's completely integrated during the trade entry, and I will demonstrate that in a demo video later on. During the trade entry, you will have to indicate to what kind of a wheel strategy group that a specific trade belongs, and that can be filtered completely out, and you can create as such like a report of a specific wheel strategy for a specific stock during a specific period. So this is a very powerful feature, also answering to the questions and the demands that I got. Another thing that I want to add is that I have paid a lot of attention to creating this spreadsheet in a user-friendly way, so that the interface really allows you to have a good overview and allowing easy entry of data all of the time. And that is why I think that how I created this spreadsheet, that it's not only easy to use, but it works also exactly in the way that we option traders want to trade and want to follow up our data. This brings me to my last slide in this video, being the financial feature for less than the price of one winning option trade. With this being said, you can expect more videos about this spreadsheet in the coming days, where I will demonstrate the different features, and I will show you from the beginning till the end how you can set up this journal to make it like a really powerful tracking tool for your trades. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.